Hello friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about the contribution of Antony van Leeuwenhoek in microbiology. So let's talk about the contribution of Leeuwenhoek in microbiology. Okay, so Antony van Leeuwenhoek is the first discoverer of microscope. He made a simple microscope which consists a single lens. So he made the first simple microscope, and by his microscope he observed many microorganisms that are the bacteria, yeast, protozoa seen in water and faeces under his microscopes. Okay, and he attract other scientists to get interest in microorganisms, to study in microorganisms and microbiology, and that's why he was called, or he was known as the father of microbiology, and he is considered the first microbiologist. Okay, and this one is the most simplest microscope made by Leeuwenhoek. Okay, so let's see it. So this is the lens portion, and here is the sample holder is present. There is a sample holder here where the sample is sample is put here to see the magnifying image by the lens. Okay, and this one this one is the focus knob by which we can focus. Okay, so this is the whole about the Leeuwenhoek's most simplest microscope in the world. Okay, so now let's talk about the other things. So he was basically a cloth maker and tailor by trade, and also a surveyor and the official wine tester. Okay, and his interest in microscope was probably related to the use of magnifying glasses to examine fabrics, that means to examine the clothes. So he got interest in microscope to examine the clothes. Okay, as he was a cloth maker. Okay, and he transmitted his findings, that means his all the findings, all the observations of microorganisms, he put in a note, and he transferred it to the Royal Society of London. He transferred more than 200 letters to the Royal Society of London about his study of different microorganisms, and he described his creatures, these microorganisms, as dierkens or animalcula viva. He described them dierkens or animalcula viva, which are translated in English as animalcules, which are translated to English as animalcules by the Royal Society of London. Okay, and he gave the first complete account and description of the red blood cell, and demonstrated the capillary connections between arteries and veins. So these are the all contributions in microbiology by the Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Okay, so these are the all things, and this is the Leeuwenhoek's introduction to microscope, how he get introduced to the microscope. So textile merchants widely used small lenses for cloth inspection, and Leeuwenhoek acquires his own magnifying glass to trade purposes. This is his introduction to microscope. So for trade purpose of textile merchants who are use small lenses for cloth inspection, from this he get interest in the microscope. Okay, with the passage of time he got interest in glass processing and lens grading, and also he was also inspired by Robert Hooke's microscopic observation in his book Micrographia. So he get inspired, or he got inspired by the micrographia book of Robert Hooke, where he described all the microorganisms of his observation, and he get interested in glass processing and lens grading, which helps him to get develop a microscope, to build up a microscope. Okay, so he built a simple microscope during 1671 and started observing different substances. He experimented to calculate the number of microorganisms in water and examine other objects like skin, hair, blood. Okay, so these are the all contributions of Leeuwenhoek in microbiology. Okay, thank you for watching this video.